Right now, news projects at 5:30, a new law restricting who can drive golf carts on public roads. The newly signed law increased the legal age to drive a golf cart in the state of Florida.
Anyone under the age of 18 must have a permit or driver's license to drive that cart. News4JAX reporter Brianna Andrews is joining us live. The current law still allows teens to drive golf carts, but does have restrictions.
Under current law, you must be at least 14 years old to drive a golf cart on public roads. However, there is growing concern among young teens driving golf carts. This new law is expected to change that. Candace Montgomery lives in Ponte Vedra, a place where it's popular to drive golf carts around, especially for teens. She says a few years ago in 2019, she was leaving a plaza after grocery shopping when a golf cart with two teenagers inside slammed into her SUV.
He mushed the accelerator, turned the wheel, and oversteered into my parked car.
The two teens survived. In 2021, a 15-year-old in St. Johns County nearly lost his life while driving a golf cart. He and his buddy were driving to another home in his subdivision to watch a movie for the night. These accidents are what prompted Florida Representative Cindy Stevenson to file House Bill 949, asking the state to increase the minimum age from 14 to 16 and to require a learner's permit or driver's license.
It really brought it to life that it was a significant problem.
Governor DeSantis signed the bill, which will go into effect on October 1st. The law doesn't specify an eligible age to start driving golf carts. However, it does state all minors must have a permit or driver's license to legally drive a golf cart in Florida. Candace Montgomery says this law is a long time coming.
I think it's a good first step. I think there's a mindset of the amount of damage that a golf cart can do. I think a lot of people see them as relatively harmless. I also think there's a mindset, if you watch some of the kids drive them, they drive them like they're toys.
Nationwide, more than 6,500 children are injured by golf carts every year, according to the American Academy of Pediatrics. This new law is hoping to reduce that number here in Florida. And again, this law goes into effect on October 1st. Candace Montgomery says that she hopes officers enforce this law when that time comes. For now, reporting live, Brianna Andrews, Channel 4, the local station.